Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to be installing a solar-powered Wi-Fi camera. Yeskamo reached out to me and they said if I send out a camera, will you install it, show how you install the app, try it out and see if you like it, make a review and stuff. And I thought, you know what, for the last year or so I thought I really do need to get some Wi-Fi cameras around just to keep an eye on the place if I'm not here, or if I am here, if you just want to see what's going on. So when they reached out to me, I thought that's actually really cool, because this is the first Wi-Fi camera that I've ever owned, and I'm not a high-tech genius, so if I can install this and get it to work, anyone can. So I'm probably a good example of that. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna install the camera. So this is what comes in the camera kit. It comes with a booklet. The camera, dual antenna camera with a swivel base. It's a night vision camera, a USB cord, and a charging solar panel with another swivel base to go with it. It really does seem pretty solid and pretty good. So what I have done with this is I've charged it up. It's ready to go. First thing we're gonna do is download the app onto the phone, which is super simple. I tried it on my other phone, so it works really good. Basically, in your booklet here, you have two QR codes. You pick the one you need, Apple or Google Play, and you just scan it. So if you haven't used that function on your phone, so you get your book out and you move to the page that download Cloudage app and phone. So here is your Apple Store, and this is your Google, so if you got an Android. So if no one's used this before, you go to your phone and you will see that it lights up on the appropriate one. You click here, it'll go directly to your Apple iTunes store. You click get, you gotta click install. Now you gotta put in your password. So the password is in, and then I click sign in and download. Let's see if it goes. Okay, so we're gonna find the app. I guess I could have went, oh, there it is, right there. Cloud would like to send you notifications. Don't have an account yet. You click, easier said than done, sign up. Okay. And then you put in your email. Email's in, agree, and then next. So once you click it, it goes through, it'll come to this. So we're gonna add a device. Okay, so it's a power plug camera. I'm gonna click this.
Please power on the device.
Okay, so it wants you to plug in your USB, so it's under this front flap. And it doesn't come with a USB charger. You got to do that yourself, but almost everyone has a bunch of them in their house. So we're going to hold the reset button for 5 seconds. The light comes on. We're going to wait till it blinks. Let's see. It's blinking. Hold the reset. Okay, so please wait until the light turns red, then tap next. So I'm going to tap next here.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password.
Okay, so now it's asking for the password, so I'm going to put the password in. And then let's see if this works. Okay.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code.
Okay.
Then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Okay, so basically you hit this, a QR code comes up on your phone, and you hold it. Until it makes that sound.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Okay, so it's saying to wait. So it's trying to connect to the camera. We're gonna see if it connects. Ah, it's taking a bit. Got 1:30 left. This light on the bottom's blue. I hope that's a good thing. Okay, so it was successful. Click next.
And phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
So you take the camera out to the location it's going to be. It kind of checks to see how good the signal is. You click next and it goes through. And then now it's all through. It's cheap homesteading. I'm going to click next. All devices. Okay, so you click the device, and there you go. So there's me. Okay, this has a little bit of feedback. So I am going to shut this off. Now that the camera's paired to my phone, I'll be able to go out and we can install the solar panel, get that all set up, and then we can actually get a look at how well this camera works. It's got motion activated. It'll give you updates and everything, so I'm kind of interested to see how this actually works. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, I don't even know, you don't really need it, I don't think, but there's an SD card slot. I'm gonna put an SD card in it. I think the camera works without it, but if anything happens, it's kind of nice to be able to remove the card and actually give it to someone. So if you click messages, it'll come up to all your messages. You click that and it'll show all the triggered moments. So those will just be actual pictures, still pictures. If you go back again, put home, there you can actually try to watch a live video. So it's actually going to pick up, and that's live. So now it's time. We got the camera fully set up. We're going to install the camera outside. So I'm going to go grab a ladder, and whatever you do, be careful, because you really try to put these cameras in a place that's not accessible very easily. So a little bit higher, out of the way, so someone can't just grab the camera and take off with it. So let's go out, we'll install the camera. I think I'm gonna put it up right there on the eave. It's protected from the sun a little bit, you don't want glare. And I think it's gonna give me a good view of the front walkway, and if someone drives up at the front of the house, I think it's just gonna be a good view of the front approach anyways. So I'll get the ladder and I'll install it. I'm going to try to install the camera right there. I have the camera mounted and I have the solar panel mounted. I wish the solar panel was tilted out a bit. It's facing south, but it's hard to mount it under my eave. It kind of shades it, so I think that's the best. And I think it'll have sun most of the day anyways. So we're just gonna see how well that goes and see if it keeps the camera charged up. So I'm up on the ladder, we're setting the camera, it's looking good. It's handy to have a phone there so you can actually see what the camera sees, and the driveway, the walkway's covered. I think that's a good location. So let's go down and we'll see how far we can walk and still trigger the camera. Okay, so we're looking at the detection method. Let's walk out and see what happens. Okay, so it seems like this is a good location. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera a little bit to the left to see if I can pick up more people on the pathway. Okay, so I'm going to walk up here, and it didn't pick me up walking across here. So I don't know if it's just got a good delay. Okay, so the camera really wasn't picking up motion very well. Partially my camera's about 1 meter higher than they say it should be. It says it should be about 2 meters. I'm probably at about 3 meters. So maybe that has an effect. So I turned it up to 10, and now it seems to actually pick up a lot of stuff. Hopefully it won't pick up too much. I'll show you how sensitive it is. Okay, so it's going to send me a notification every time it picks up motion. I don't know how many minutes between it allowing it to pick up more motion. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there it is. It picked me up, and I'm on the driveway, which is a bonus. That's me. So we'll wait for a few minutes. I'll walk down the driveway, see how long it will pick up. Okay, let's keep walking. Let's see. We'll get off the screen. Let's see if it picks me up. It should. Didn't. Oh, there it is. Let's see where I'm at. Oh, I'm down the laneway there. Okay, so it pretty well picks up the whole laneway and walking up the laneway. So here is some of the clips of the notifications I got. The nighttime's pretty good, but you can't really see too much. But for night vision, it's good. Okay, so there you go. I got the camera and the solar panel installed. It is definitely a cool little camera. I played around with the motion detection because it was getting set off by the wind. But it seems like I got it set. So I'm going to use it for a little while, and then I'll give you guys an update. But I just wanted to say thank you to Yeskamo for sending it out, and I will put their link to the camera in the description. So that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good.